And 5 stunning revelations by the former CAG during his explosive Frankly interview with Arnab Goswami has jolted the Congress, putting the spotlight on the Prime Minister.
It was supposed to showcase India as a superpower that can host big games. But it turned out to be a national disaster as charges of massive corruption emerged. And according to the former CAG, the Prime Minister may have played an important role in emboldening Kalmadi.
The Prime Minister of India certified an unaccountable structure to spend huge amounts of taxpayer money.
That's exactly why I said in form and in substance both it was incorrect.
Should the Prime Minister have not done that?
Well, it's very difficult for
Should
me.
the Prime Minister have applied his mind at that time and seen through the consequences?
See, we had this example of the Asian Games earlier. Asian Games, if you recall, were Mr. Bhuta Singh was then actually made in charge of the Asian Games and he was a sitting minister. There could have been a role for the Indian Olympic Association, but under the overall charge of a minister, because a minister can be better accountable to Parliament and to the...
So the Prime Minister strengthened Suresh Kalmadi?
Well, the Prime Minister appointed him, certainly so. Certainly so.
So the root cause of the CWG scam goes back to 2004? To that decision?
If somebody in government, accountable to the finance ministry or accountable to the Parliament in the nature of being a minister, had been there, certainly he could have been held far more accountable.
The opposition clearly not amused, questioning the decision.
We know the antecedents of Suresh Kalmadi, why he should have been appointed. And in this case also, Prime Minister was well aware what wrong is being perpetrated by Suresh Kalmadi and his associates. He is not alone to be blamed.
Congress has dismissed the former CAG's claims, refusing to blame the Prime Minister.
Now, there were 2 points of view. Which view should have been selected by the Prime Minister or supported by the Prime Minister? It's the Prime Minister's prerogative, frankly, and his understanding of what the public need was at that time and what would be the consequences of the Games not going ahead. But you can't sit in judgment on these issues, and if you want to, then you should become Prime Minister.
The Commonwealth Games thrust corruption in India to international spotlight. And the revelations putting the scanner firmly on the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Bureau Report, Times Now.